Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the top 5 coins I believe are worth investing in during this market dip. We always talk about a couple coins and really deliver on what coins I believe are going to be the ones that are worth investing in and dollar cost averaging in during this kind of a market dip. And we've talked about a lot of different coins in the past. We've talked about Cardano, Solana. Those are only seeing about 2% decreases in the last 24 hours, so those are going to be ones we kind of skip out on today. But if we take a look at the losers of today and start with some of the top losers, well, there's going to be a few that I really think are worth investing in. Decentraland is one that I believe is still pretty fairly valued at $3.14. I think there is going to be still another wave of Decentraland doing very well as it is in the metaverse, and there's been a lot of hype and talk about it recently. But this is one coin that I do suggest watching and seeing if you can find it below $3, as then I believe it would be a good market buy. We have more to jump into, though. Theta is the first one. Theta is below $7, and I think Theta is going to come back very, very hard. We see about a 5% decrease in the last 24 hours, bringing the market cap below $7 billion. The volume in the last 24 hours at below 140 million. This is definitely a coin that has an ecosystem already built up, the T-Drop token, as well as so much going on with the Theta streaming and really the T-Drops themselves. I think this is going to be a huge, huge, huge ecosystem in the future. Theta drops, like I said, Theta streams, they have so much going on for them here in the last couple of months. They've had great updates, great kind of things they're working on. It's one of those coins that I believe will make it back to its previous all-time high of $15.90 at some point, which would almost be a 2 to 3x already. So there's a lot of hype surrounding Theta. Just keep in mind that I think this coin is going to be a very, very big coin to watch in 2021 as well as pushing into early 2022. If we head on back, though, seeing where we can, take a look at a few more coins that I believe are going to have huge, really increases in the next couple of weeks and months. Terra Luna is an obvious one, in my opinion. We've talked about a lot of coins that have done fairly well, and I don't think these coins are done. Just because they do well and have risen in market cap in the last couple of weeks or months doesn't mean they're done quite yet. If we take a look at Terra, in the last month, we've had a 35% increase, looking fairly solid. I do believe, though, with this 5.51% decrease in the last 24 hours, we're looking at another price worth jumping into. This is a coin that has a lot going on with its ecosystem as well. This is a project that I believe in the crypto space is going to continue to bring in retail as well as institutional investors. All of these coins have great utility, and that's one of the big things that I always like to key on is the utility behind some of these coins and why their value is, in my opinion, undervalued. So let's take a look back, seeing as what other coins are worth looking into. Phantom is one I've talked about as well. FTM is one coin that I believe is going to do insanely well in the future. We have 6.27% decrease. It's only at a $6.4 billion market cap, so it's still fairly low in market cap when it comes to some of the top 50 coins out there. I think Phantom's going to explode within the next couple of months. Right now we can only see about a 25% increase in the last month. We actually saw an all-time high around $3.48. We're about $1 below that right now, so a lot of potential with this next Phantom push, and I think that's going to be coming within the next couple of months, as well as so many other altcoins in the next couple of months to watch out for. If we go on back, though, there are more coins to look out for. I know I said 5, but I want to talk about specific coins, and there's some coins that I just can't kind of pass up. There's going to be 2 more coins specifically on this page that I wanted to jump into, and obviously I looked into these before we did today's video and kind of looked at the TA as well as kind of all the news regarding these coins. Looking at some of the milestones, some of the roadmap itself, there's great reasons to believe that Fetch or FET will be one of the biggest exploding coins in 2022. I don't think it's going to happen in 2021. It could, but I think it's going to be a late bloomer. FET is going to do insane things in 2022. That's right now at 83 cents, a market cap below 625 million market cap. So very, very low market cap, has huge potential behind it. The utility behind FET is absolutely fantastic. This is a coin we're going to continue to talk about on the channel as well. If you guys haven't already, by the way, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with everything crypto. There's going to be so much more updates coming to the crypto space within the next couple of months as we are in that bull market. And there's so many retail as well as institutional investors that we're going to try to continue to educate. As we look a little bit through the losers, there's going to be a second page with so many great tokens again to look through, but I'm trying to stay within that 4 to 6% decrease range. We always talk about these specific coins, so I'm not going to even click on them and jump into them. But honorable mentions this time around, since I always talk about them, I'm going to kind of skip out on them and just kind of tell you Chainlink and Polkadot are worth looking into, are almost always worth investing, in my opinion. Chainlink and Polkadot being hugely undervalued at their current price points. I want to jump a little bit farther, though, and talk about VeChain, because this is the one that I believe is going to do very well. Not this bull market, but next bull market. So imagine 5 to 6 years from now, VeChain, I believe, is easily past $1, possibly even to $2, $3, $4, or even $5. Right now, only a $10 billion market cap. VeChain's going to rise amongst the best. It's going to be right around a, in my opinion, like I said, 5 to 6 years from now, I think VeChain's a $4 to $5, $6 coin at the very least. So continue to watch VeChain. If you can find low entry price points and just hang on to, a few dollars worth of VeChain every couple of weeks or so, that's dollar cost averaging. Find those dips, buy what you can, and continue to invest. So I will say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, but these are the coins I believe are worth investing in. With their decreases in the last 24 hours, you're getting a very good discounted rate, and I wanted to kind of give you really an update on what coins I am looking into during these bearish-looking dips. Obviously, we're not in a bear market. Just these these bearish-looking dips that kind of give us a discounted price is what we're looking for here. So that's going to be today's update on the top 5 coins I believe are worth investing in. Obviously, we went over more than 5. Just kind of wanted to walk you guys through my thoughts. If we jump back over to Twitter, by the way, I do have a Twitter account, CryptoProfitYT. Make sure to follow me there for updates on crypto. But the biggest thing is, as promised, 40 Chainlink giveaway if we hit $40 link by the end of November. All you have to do is follow and retweet to be entered. So make sure to follow and retweet this specific tweet to be entered into this giveaway. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.